Last summer, we visited Lucid Motors, and it was a bit weird. I'm Brian. Welcome to my Tesla weekend. A quick thanks to BMG Baby and Jonathan Drake, who both upgraded to the very cool level, very cool. Boy, it's a shame. All right.
It's going to be noisy out here.
It's going to be super noisy, but it can also just be B-roll as needed of me talking while I do voiceover. You know what I could do? Is I could go. We're here at the Lucid factory, and then I can dub it later. So yeah.
There's a mask mandate on this corner.
There's a mask mandate right here. Because I am a danger, not just to myself and others, but just generally. So yeah, this is the Lucid factory. And you may be wondering if you're dreaming, but yeah, I don't know. Thing is, I've got some problems with Lucid, and it's their lack of transparency. It's the fact that, oh yeah, I should mention, I'm Brian. Welcome to my Tesla weekend. Yeah. And guess who's here? It's Bear from Bear's Workshop.
Hey guys.
How fun is that? What is this, a crossover episode? So, I have a problem with Lucid. It's not their car, it's beautiful. It's not the fact that it doesn't exist. I mean, that is a problem, but that's something you can fix. My problem is the lack of transparency. I did reach out to them to see about getting someone to talk to, or something to see, or going inside, or being permitted to step on property, and I didn't hear back. Now, a lot of you may think that I despise the good folks at Nikola. I do not. That's better. I do not hate them. I do not even dislike them. I have my my doubts about them. I have my concerns. Bear, of course, covers Nikola.
You lowered the camera, so I think I'm going to be like...
Oh, yeah.
That's okay.
Yeah, he can crouch. But Nikola at least had the decency to write me back. When I asked them, may I see the factory, I heard back from someone. It might have been Stephanie, I don't recall. Someone saying, not something we're doing at this time. We'll let you know in the future. That is how you deal with folks. This, they don't even let people look at the place. And I mean, like at all, like from the air. Like they won't allow drones over the property, which they have no right to do. They have no legal ability to restrict the airspace over their factory. They don't own the air. God owns the air. That's God's air. You can't control it. More accurately, it's the government's air, and they say you can do whatever you want with it, except keep people out of it. But what are they hiding? It's perfectly flat. There's no forest obstructing my view. There's no hills. I can see everything without going there. All they're doing is throwing up red flags for no reason. Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
Well, maybe we're going to get lucky because, sometimes, and we've been told we've just missed them. Sometimes the Lucid cars that are out there, the prototypes, will come in through this road and pull in over there.
Wow.
So, you definitely want to keep recording. If I scream, Riley, because I want him to come back, and I haven't seen one yet.
But you've heard.
I've heard. I had security tell me, oh, too bad you weren't here a half hour ago. So you never know when one's going to come rolling by. They're pulling in there. And then they put them in the factory and they hide them from everybody.
Right. Wouldn't you? No. Oh, yeah, that's right.
No, I wouldn't.
That's right. I'd hide it from the weather, but not from people. So apparently, I don't know how well that came through. They test them out on these roads, and sometimes, just sometimes, they drive right by here.
That's security behind us.
Oh, we got security coming?
Oh, there he is.
Oh,
He's not coming
good.
over here yet. Not yet.
Good. Well, security doing their job, keeping things secure.
I could use some securing.
right?
Yeah.
I'm feeling very insecure myself, but those are issues that I get just from reading the comments. Okay. Well, it looks like security is actually coming this direction. Maybe. Maybe they're lonely. Maybe they're feeling lonely and they'd like some company. But we shall see. But I'm going to definitely make a big show. Dom, will you stand by the camera like you're my cameraman?
Yeah.
Make a big show of doing the thing that I'm doing. Hello, security.
They gave us a hand wave when they passed.
Oh, nice. Nice. So, just going to kind of fill some time here. Oh. Well, good. The good news is they are not in the mood to harass my 9,000 subscribers. The good news is by the time this video comes out, I'll have more than that.
So, Brian, security did stop. They have stopped on numerous visits. Literally, I think our first 8 or 9.
The cap so it doesn't. Yeah.
Our first 8 or 9 visits, they had stopped. They missed one, and then we posted something about them distracting us while we're flying. And when you come talk to a pilot while it's flying, it's not safe. Since that video was put out, they've no longer stopped. So I think now they're just doing drive-bys like they did. They gave us a little wave when they passed, making sure it's us. But because you're with me, they're not going to stop. But maybe we'll put you in the front in a little bit and just have you take some pictures from the front and see if that bothers them.
See if that bothers them. The job of a good security guard is to make your presence known and not interfere at all in any way.
Don't hogtie people unless there's a really good reason.
Yeah.
I tell that to my wife once.
Yeah. So we'll go see if we can get some footage up in front. Well, yeah, we'll do that. I'll save my sign off for then. Did I sign on? Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
I did. And that's where they're expanding, and that building over there is I've never seen these excavators in person. The dirt ones.
Yeah.
The scrapers. They're pretty.
They've definitely lowered the elevation up there. You want to go to the northeast corner?
Yeah, where I've been going recently, I like that spot.
Okay.
Oh. Is it? Oh, U.S. Customs and Border Protection warning.
Notice it's odd.
Oh.
Oh, they're going with this as a foreign trade zone.
Really?
That is
A loophole?
It might be a loophole. When I was talking to the police officer, he was saying free trade zone, but it's foreign trade zone, and they're trying to claim that it is. Foreign trade zone. You see that, Riley? Yeah. That's what Officer Price was saying. Free trade zone. He was trying to say foreign trade zone.
Wild
Differences.
Well, they're trying to claim some sort of status under
Whoever maliciously enters therefrom any merchandise or unlawfully removes any merchandise from U.S. Customs and Border Protection, custody, or control shall be guilty of a federal crime and paid up or fined up to $250,000 or imprisoned. That's not $1,000 to do with us. It just says stealing.
Yeah, it does.
So my guess would be that this is actually CBP's detention pond, and that when Nikola put their signs up, CBP came out and said, yeah, maybe, but these are definitely our ponds.
Yeah. We got to look to see if the rest of those warning signs are on other parts of the property.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Because, like I was saying, the officer we talked to was concerned that issuing a free trade zone.
So they definitely don't own where we are right now.
Hypothetically, they should.
There's a canal right up there, and it's underground right here.
Okay.
And they're not supposed to be in the area on this side of the canal. Though we could stay on the safe side and just park on the other side if you want.
I don't see any room over there.
Yeah, we've parked over there before.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not worried, but I'm.
You think we're good here? Okay.
I'm not worried, but it's not my car.
I'm not worried about the car. I just don't want to get a trespass notice.
Yeah.
Pick your butt up. Thank you.
Or do you want? No, I think I'll just have you handheld it. Okay. And no matter if somebody comes, no matter what, stop.
Okay. So that's usually there. It's the center console.
He is. That's why I'm trying to make a big show. Big show. Let's get this set up here.
Do you guys have trucks? Okay. So the building right over there is one of their warehouses or distribution center.
Yeah.
Behind you.
It was right about this time when we met with the guy, the very strange guy. The guy who had all the insights, the guy who some of you wanted to see the insight of. And yeah, I never hit the targets needed to make it public, but you know what? I'm gonna make it public now, so check it out. The link is in the description, and here you go. So what did I miss or misunderstand? Leave me all your blinding brilliance in the comments below. And my friends, stay tuned, stay juicy, and I simply cannot wait to hear from you clever robots all upon that flippity flop. And a mad thanks to all my Patreons who get early access, bonus content, an ad-free experience, and help keep the channel running for as little as $1 a month. My gosh, I know it sounds simple, but I absolutely cannot do it without you. And I thank you guys so much.